Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a gorgeous little shoulder bag to show you today. So this is the Wandler mini Carly bag, and it's from this design Wandler. She is a Dutch designer, but she kind of prides herself on using handcrafted, really high quality leather. So this is in a beautiful Italian calfskin. You can see how smooth it looks, how soft it looks. And I love this contrast stitching on it as well. We've got double top handles, and then we've got a magnetic fasten for the main bag. And then we've got one central section with a little press stud fasten there. And the rest of it is just one main compartment. We've got a really nice soft microfiber lining on the inside. So it's a really nice, simple design, but still a very gorgeous bag. The condition of it we have called excellent all around. There is no wear at all. It's in a pretty much brand new, unused condition. It's perfect. I'll just show you that inside again. Absolutely no marks. It is in an excellent condition. It comes with this little Wandler sleeve, card sleeve, and inside there we've got a Browns Fashion returns tag, and then we also have a little care tag as well. And then we've got the Wandler dust bag, as well as a Wandler box, which is really nice. I even really like the box. I think that's a really nice colour. So if you'd like to know the exact measurements for it, the easiest way to find this bag on our website is to go to the link in the description below. So that is the link to shop the exact bag. It should hopefully take you straight to this bag, but if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you've been looking out for a bag like this one, let us know and we'll get you on our request list. And that just means as soon as we have in another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website. I'll show you the size on me for reference. I'm a size UK10 and 5'4", and it's just the perfect little under the arm shoulder bag. If you like a kind of 90s looking bag, then this is definitely one for you. And you can see those leather straps sit really nice and comfortably on my arm because they are quite thin as well, and such a gorgeous leather. It's really comfortable to wear, and it just looks really gorgeous as well. So have a look at it on our website, sign up to our newsletter while you're on there, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget to like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous Armcandy.